So, do we always return to order blocks with a candle body because you need to fill that void, excluding the wicks, because the wicks are technically inefficient? Is that the reasoning? Like here you have obviously bicep swept out. This is the kill zone here. Oh, where did the kill zone go? Anyways, kill zone down here. Take out bicep, take out London here. You wouldn't be trading because it's outside the kill zone. Came up, swept out short term bicep. Form the breaker in here on the 1 minute. See high, low, higher high. Breaker. Drag that out. You have your value gap here. Tapped into the order block. Technically there. This right here be a market structure shift because we are filling this gap. So ITL, we have a breaker low as well, which is another valid market structure shift. Nice. Valid market structure shift here and here. Turned up into the order block, respecting it, came back lower, aggressive lower, move. The sell side all the way down here. 3 minute breaker in this shaded area, return up into the inversion because we have split like this. First PD array within this 50% would be the inversion for value gap. Actually, let me take a screenshot of this. Market structure shift, inversion point. Instead of there's no order block within 50%. Here you have another inversion, no order block, quick expansion. So we turn into inversion, which is within 50% here. Right? Look how sweep below here. Right? Liquidity sweep, or more importantly, this liquidity sweep below 50%. Okay. Of this range, below 50%. Sweep it, retrace into premium. Down again. Taking out this low. Trace back into premium. Again, taking out multiple lows, tracing into premium. Let me continue. Lower into equity open. Go down here, I guess. So we did take out a low, I believe. Maybe not. Anyways. Traded up during 950, up into... I don't know what we're trading up into, to be honest. Just tracing. Is there a volume imbalance right here? There's a tiny volume imbalance. Man. Volume balance, pump lower. I would just use this order block, to be honest. But I guess stop be above the high. So it'd be fine. Let's place lower, trade up into the order block instead of retracing. We have a point of inversion here, which could use that as an entry short too, but up into premium. So, oh my gosh. Took out a short-term low. Trace back into premium. I guess you could use that. Take a short-term low, trace back into premium. So probably you don't want to see this low taken out, I guess. If you fall short of it like this, then retrace into it, then you displace quickly. But we start to just continue to take this out. Short-term low, oh my gosh. Trace back into premium, knocking out buy side. So took the short-term low out instead of this one. Same thing here. So it took out this short-term low, traced, traded up into the order block, tapped it, Trading back lower. Then here we have sweep of the buy side. Sweep of the buy side. I'm thinking fractally here, right? If we were on a shorter time frame, swap the buy side, trade it back lower. We confirm the market structure shift, and we took this swing low out, so then we trace back into here. Fair value at premium end. Wick is inefficient. Oh my gosh. 50% of the wick, because it's what in premium past the. There's supposed to be an order block in here on the lower time frame. Trade it back lower. Still respecting this order block here. Dump off. Breaker formation confirms market maker buy model. Tap it back to the breaker. This is left as a breakaway gap. Trade back up. Swept out short-term buy side. Short-term buy side traced down into the order block. Nice. You have this fair value up, but the order block's lower, so we trace in the order block. Goes order block. So the algorithm will seek to look for order blocks. Then I think inversions, and then fair value gaps. I feel like that might be the order. Like if we take that concept, apply it here. Yeah, see how this fair value gap up here, it goes, so quick displacement, taking up first partial. There's no order block. I mean, there's this order block here, but it's not in premium. What do we do? Climb up into the inversion fair value gap. But I wonder if there's a fair value gap here, would that look for that, or would it be more precise for the inversion specifically? Here you have fair value gap here, inversion tapped into that, instead of, because there's no order block within 50% of this dealing range here. So right, we turn into premium right here. And you're looking for the inversion because there's no fair value up on the side or an order block. Here we don't have an inversion, so it looks for the fair value gap. So it's really just any gap, I guess, right? So we took out this short-term low here. What do? We start to retrace. Sell side into a retracement. So as soon as we hit that 50% mark, typically you see a retracement happen, which is where you can just enter short. Like look at this fractal market maker buy model. Buy side up here, sell side taken out. Turn up into 50% of this. Right here, sweeping out a short-term buy side. What do? We retrace down into the inversion. Enter long right there. No, sorry, into the bisi. Yeah, this would be a bisi at that point. Trade back up. Continue to tap into the breaker here. Right, technically that's a breaker. Tapping into it, holding this hold selling as well. So that's an order block. Town close candles respected. Shoot up through the buy side. Same thing here. We got a 50% retracement. Boom. That's your second stage pre-accumulation. Same thing here. Short-term low taken, retracement at 50%. Internal range liquidity sweep. Oh my gosh. Do you always get that second sweep? Here you get two sweeps. One tap into 50%, another tap. Here you get two sweeps. Tap into the London high. Another tap there. Oh, and it's a parent daily range. That's dumb. That's so good. So one liquidity sweep, two liquidity sweep, past short-term buy side. Here you don't have it. Turning to order block. Can't see it on that one. Trace, took out short-term low there. Retracing 50%, second candle sweeping out this high. Here you have same thing. Short-term high taken out right there. Same thing here, just placed 20 or 50%. Came up, took it out there. See if it's down here now. Came up fast 50%, retraced into the breaker. Here we have displaced past 50% of this. Taking out short-term liquidity, you have a retracement. What are we tracing to here though? Came back lower, tapped into there. Must have SMT here. Feel like we do. Because typically to see a buy program, you need to see a low taken out. We don't have any low taken out here. So what is this? 1055. Let's look at ES. 1055. There you go. We do take this out. 1042. Oh, we took this out. 10:55 and 11 o'clock. 10:55, 11 o'clock. Failed to sweep it there. Guess this is. Okay. I need to look at YM. Didn't take it out there either. DXY. Failing to make higher high. Nope. We'll find idea. Look at this. Taking on buy side and retracing into parent daily range. That's why. That's why you don't see this one. Also outside of a kill zone. Oh my gosh. So you wouldn't look to trade this short because we're outside of a kill zone. Mini kill zone there. Oh, and you have the breaker formation right here. This is a breaker right here. Oh, this is too good. breaker formation, took out bisi. It's just same exact thing we saw in pre-market. Look, it's outside, 1049. Display slower right there. You want to see another sweep of buy side since we're also retracing the parent daily range from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right there. There's your turtle soup. Trace, boom, another retracement. Beautiful. Display slower. Second reaccumulation leg. What are we tapping into here? An order block that's above 50%. So look, displays past 50% there. And we take out first partial, which is the sell side. Right? What do we do? We retrace into the dealing range high to low. Okay, I think I use also this one. Yep, high to low right there. High to low dealing range retracement. You have the first thing is this order block. Tapped into the order block within premium. Shorting opportunity. Continuing to displace lower, all while respecting the order blocks on this side. So this is old selling. See that as a market maker model, right? Old selling there. All the down close candles now from this point should hold. Or sorry, up close candles. Since we're in a sell program. So sell program starts here. We have old selling, which sees where the order block should, or where price should, candle bodies should hold here. Wicks, you don't want to see anything past the bodies of the right side of the curve. So we have here, order block, bearish order block, up close candle, another bearish order block right here. Close below it. Here we do have a candle body. Oh, there's an inversion for value gap right there. This should be a propulsion block though. Thought. Oh, we're just still respecting this one. So it's not past 3. This would be 1, 2, 3. We'd all be past here. That's why this fair value gap is completely filled. Right? You have a short-term low taken out right here. You want to see a retracement into 50%. Got that 50% retracement as we're tapping to the order block there. Displace lower. Take out low. High to low retrace into the order block again. See how this is. We continue lower. Taking out some sell side target probably down here. What do we do here? Trace once. Tapping into this fair value gap. And another parent dealing range retracement. You see another buy side sweep, secondary sweep. So that's at 10:30. Oh, sorry, 12:30. Interesting. 12:30 there. This place lower, we have a breaker formation in here technically, right? Down close candle. There's your breaker setup. Up close candle right there. Tapping into after we close below confirms the breaker. Market structure shift as well, confirms the reversal. Boom, saw short, and we displace lower into there. Another retracement after we climb up into here. This is where you see quick expansion lower because not even getting up to premium. We continue to boom all the way down. And I'm not even retracing to a previous point of inversion or an order block from this side. Just quickly hammering down. At least here we're turning up to the order block wick. High, low, higher, high. Breaker. Boom, it's another sell off. Probably end the video there.